Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech, day number 41 of Power BI DAX function series. In this video, we are going to discuss another DAX functions. And if you are watching our channel for the first time and if you are feeling you have missed to watch our 40 days of functions, we have provided the link of playlist in the description box. You can go ahead and you can watch it by clicking on the link. Let's start with the today's session. So in our previous set of videos, we have started with 8 popular function types. What are the popular 8 function types used in Power BI? And in which we have started with the date and time functions, informative functions, logical functions, mathematical and trigonometric functions, parent and child functions, statistical functions, text functions. And the last which we are going to start with this end of this session series is general important functions. Discuss 7 previous set functions have their own subset of functions which we everything which we have discussed detailed in our set of videos. So today we are going to start with general important functions, and post this we are happy to announce that we are going to start with SQL, how to install the SQL, what are the how to create a basic SQL table, what are the filters, cross joins and functions in SQL. So let's start with the today's session, and if you're watching our channel for the first time, please do subscribe and share to your friends who are all need to learn the Power BI. So in general important function, the first we are going to discuss is about except function in Power BI. How this except function works and how we are going to implement in day-to-day life, we are going to discuss in detail in this particular video. We are requesting you to not skip any part of this video so that you can understand this particular concept clearly without any loss of information. Let's start with the today's session. So here I have created two table which is users and user accepted, users edited. So this users having one set of data and users editor having the other set of data. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new table which helps me to create a DAX function which is the except table, right? Which is equal to, so except, the syntax for except is giving left table and right table, and you can see the explanation over here which is mentioned as returns the rows of left side table which do not appear on the right side, which means whichever is available in left side and which is not available on the right side, those values will be displayed on this particular table. So now I am going to give it as users and user edited. So ideally if I want to check to compare both the data and for which data I need to get to retrieve, so suppose consider like table A and table B. So table A I need to get the data of whichever is missing in table B. I can give the table A in left side and table B in left side, or else we can do the vice versa to get the data checked. So you can see there is only two rows missed over here, which is regional manager, central and Chris, which is one which is available in users, central and Chris. But if I go to users edited, it is having all these three. So as per our formula and the syntax, we can see the result is region manager, central and Chris. These two rows are missing from table 1, which is users and user edited table. Hope you have understood this concept clearly. By this we have come to the conclusion of this particular except concept DAX function. If you have any queries in this video or previous set of videos, please do reach out to us via our social media platform or through our comment box. We will try to assist you as soon as possible. We will be meeting you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you and Jai Hind.